Okay, guys, I got the shop cleaned out. There are no paying projects in the way right now. I literally, well, the last 3 months, it's been 90 days that I did 6 different projects. I did 2 big, huge climbing rocks for playground, a big hollow tunnel log, 2 balance beams, and rock mold for those that I sold to the company. And then I did 2 5-day training classes. I got stuck up on the hill for literally a week. I couldn't come down because of the snow from the house. And then I was sick for a week, and I think I took 8 days off during that 90 days. Other than that, I worked like a dog getting those projects done. But right now, I'm getting back to, I set these, I think, down October the 21st, the spear that I was making for my wife. I'm going to be making a lot of spears for my wife for around the property here. But I started out by making a jig that I could make these. And I thought, well, for the videos of YouTube, I'm going to make a mold of it and make it quicker and easier and flawless. And so I've got to make that mold, and then I've got to get these spears. I made this as a video for YouTube to show you guys how to make a rock using panels, but ultimately it's going to be a mount for the first 2 spears that I make for my wife that we're going to set out in the garden. So I've got to put those there on that. And then this was, again, these were Christmas presents for my wife, and it's January the 24th or 25th right now, and I'm just now going to be moving these out. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and I've got to fix that Adirondack chair my grandson broke by pulling on the slat, and it's a heavy chair and it just didn't take it, so I got to fix that. But right now I'm as clean as I can get it in here, because it is a cement shop. It's been for 21 years, and it's dusty and dirty. And I've got this summer, I'm going to renew the tar paper down here and get it to where it covers the floor again. But right now, I haven't put a video up in about a month, so I'm going to get back to finishing these videos so I can actually edit them and get them up. And there's all the videos that I did for this project have not been edited yet, so I've got a ton of video to put up, and I appreciate you guys keeping with me, even though I haven't been that active on the YouTube, but I've been very active in making stuff. So you guys are going to see a lot of videos coming up, so stick with me. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. Bye.